Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet incredibly useful guide. How to view all voice messages in a Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. With the latest update, accessing voice messages has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your browser. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats and groups. Next, locate the group where you want to view voice messages. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the group, click on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group's name. This action will open the contact info panel for that group. Here, you'll find various options and details about the group. From the contact info panel, navigate to the voice section. This is where all voice messages shared within the group are organized. Simply click on Voice, and you'll be able to see all the voice messages shared in that group, neatly listed for easy access. That's it. You can now listen to any voice message directly or manage them as needed. This feature is perfect for keeping track of important audio communications in your groups without scrolling endlessly through chats. Thank you for watching this guide. Don't forget to explore more features on Telegram Web and make your communication even more seamless.